Welcome back. We have Matthew Moore from InnerScope Hearing Technologies back with us once again. Matt, how you doing?
Doing fantastic. Appreciate for having me here.
Always, Matt. It's always a pleasure. And a lot has happened since we last interviewed you and you were on with us. But for those new viewers, would you please remind everybody about InnerScope's main products and services? What is the company all about?
Yeah, basically, we are a direct-to-consumer premium hearing aid company where we're actually are selling and dispensing hearing devices in North America and around the world, actually. On a direct-to-consumer basis, which then basically cuts the cost to the consumer by 80%. So instead of hearing aids costing $5,000 or $8,000 a set, we're about $500 a set. And we've recently acquired two companies, one in September called iHear Medical, which was they have a ton of IP, 40 plus patents. And then we acquired another company called HearingAssist in November of last year that was doing $25 to $28 million in revenue a year, which the number one retailer was Walmart. So they already were in 750 Walmart locations, and we're expanding that relationship. So I mean, we are we're going for it.
Terrific. Now, Matt, let's backpedal a little bit. Tell us a little bit about the background, your background specifically, and your family's background in the hearing industry and the history of the company as a whole.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm third generation in the hearing industry. My grandfather's been doing since the 40s and 50s. Unfortunately, we lost him about a year ago. But up until the day he passed away, he was still helping the hearing impaired, not because he had to, but because he wanted to. Hearing health and helping people hear better is in my family's blood. So, I mean, my family, we have hundreds of years of experience that we're bringing to this direct to consumer. We're providing that professional experience and professional touch to help a consumer on a direct to consumer basis. So, InnerScope, I mean, my family, we've owned and operated well over 75 plus retail locations, private practice, audiological clinics, and we've sold those off so we can focus on the direct to consumer channel. So we can not just help 100,000 people, we can help millions of people offering these affordable premium products.
Awesome. And of course, InnerScope has signed some major distribution agreements lately. Tell us a little bit more about the BestBuy.com vendor agreement. How significant is this for what you guys are working on at the company?
Very significant. I mean, it is really kind of that snowball that's really on a great path for us. I mean, we've launched with Best Buy, BestBuy.com. We're launching products in Best Buy locations coming soon. We also launched with Rite Aid.com. We're launching over 15. We have actually a retailer. We're launching over 1,500 product displays here in the coming days. So I mean, we're growing. We're also launching. We're in multiple grocery stores and pharmacies like Giant Eagle, Hy-Vee, Food City. We're just launching another 24 product displays and kiosks in Hy-Vee locations in the back, on the East Coast. So I mean, InnerScope is growing as a whole, but that's not the best part. The best part is we're able to help and provide this hearing health to so many people that need help but aren't getting it. I mean, there's well over 50 million people that need hearing health products, but less than 8 million are actually getting treated today. So it's 42 million people just in the United States alone that need affordable hearing health products that they're currently not getting. And that's what InnerScope with our iHear and HearingAssist, as well as with our retail partners like Best Buy, Rite Aid, Walmart, etc. That's what we're bringing to the masses.
It's amazing, Matt. And obviously, congratulations on all of the success. And speaking to more of that success, just before the Best Buy agreement, InnerScope signed another distribution agreement with RiteAid.com. Tell us a little bit more about that one.
Yeah, I mean, basically, we launched our products. We're actually the only hearing health product hearing aid company that's listed on Rite Aid right now. So I mean, we're bringing our products to the Rite Aid customers, that have millions of users, millions of viewers, and to their website. And so that's what, again, being the only hearing aid company on their website, that's what we're bringing to millions of Rite Aid customers.
Fantastic. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the bedrock of the success. How is it that InnerScope's products are attracting so much attention from these major retailers? Best Buy, Rite Aid, these are big names. What is it that's attracting these guys to you?
Honestly, it is our experience, with HearingAssist doing well over $25 million in revenue a year, which is they have over 400,000 customers. And that's part of one of the acquisitions. iHear being that IP piece, they spent $25+ million in R&D over the past 5 years. So what it is that we have the retail success of HearingAssist, we have the IP that's coming from iHear, and then we have the audiological experience that's coming from InnerScope. So it's really these three companies combined is what's really driving the success, and is really providing some good credibility to these retailers to bring us on as sometimes their preferred vendors, if not their exclusive vendor. So that's where all these retailers are attracted to bringing in InnerScope, HearingAssist, and iHear into their product portfolio.
Terrific. Okay, the rest of 2022, what developments should the audience be looking for as you guys move forward, continue through Q2 and the rest of this year?
Yeah, it is insane right now. Like I just mentioned, we're launching 1,500 product displays with a retailer. Can't disclose it right now. Should be disclosing it very soon. We're launching with we have connections into 10,000 plus grocery stores and pharmacies right now that we're launching our products in. So and with the OTC, the over-the-counter hearing aid regulation kicking in about September, October, this is where it's really going to start bringing in national attention, if not international attention. And that's where InnerScope has been consolidating. There's less than 10 competitors of InnerScope right now in the direct to consumer space. And InnerScope is, I would say that with the HearingAssist and iHear acquisition, we're in the top three in opportunities. So that's where when this starts growing to 40 million people having access to over-the-counter hearing aids, where InnerScope would be part of that, that is where it is going to be reaching millions of people. And that's where our growth is really going to be coming in that third and fourth quarter of this year.
That's amazing. Matthew Moore, CEO of InnerScope Hearing Technologies. Cannot wait to continue to watch you follow this trend and get even better in the rest of this year. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.